Dear students, in this tutorial we will learn how to work with files and folders. But first we will discuss about library folder. So what is library folder? It is a special type of folder which helps us access all the content of one particular type. One particular type means it can be audio, video, pictures and documents. If you want to open any video file, just go to library folder and we can browse for all the video files. Okay, now let us learn how we will open a library folder. For that we need to click on this folder icon from taskbar. Click on that. So here comes library. See over here, under library section, 4 type of files are here: document, music, pictures and videos. Click on videos. See over here, these all are video files. Okay, now to move back, click on library again. Now click on document. Library folder centralizes the data of one type. Like if you want to store all the video files under video folder, you can store, and if you want to store all the documents and document type in document folder, you can store that. So here we are in under document folder. So if you want to create any folder under document section, just you need to click on this new folder icon. Click over here. Now see, the folder, new folder has come here, and now the text is highlighted. So it is because here you can change the name of this folder if you want to change. So if you want to change it by any name. Like I am writing my name. Okay, and then after changing the name, press enter. See, the folder by my name has been created. Now what else? If you want to create a file, for that you need to go to that particular application. Like if I want to open any Word file or create any Word file, then we need to open a Word file. Click on Word, blank documents, and maximize it. Okay, now type something. Size has been increased, color I am changing. Now if I want to save it, how we will save? By clicking on file icon and then go to save or save as. Click on save as. Now here you can browse for your directory where you want to save this file. So here I want to save under library documents in my folder in Anjum1. Here you can type your file name. Let it be like this, computer. Okay, the file has been created. Now again go to the Anjum folder. This one is our folder and this is that file which we have saved. Okay, in this way we can create a folder or file. Now if you want to delete this file, just click on this, do right click and choose this delete option. One pop-up screen appears. Are you sure you want to remove this file to the recycle bin? Yes. See, this file is open now, that's why it is not getting deleted. We need to close this file. Now again follow the same process, delete. Yes, and this file has gone to recycle bin. Okay, now how to rename a file or folder. Rename means how you will change the name of any file or folder that is previously saved. For that, just go to navigation pane, choose your folder. So under D drive I am choosing any folder name like this. Okay, and then right click. Here we have option rename, second last option. Click on that and we can change the name of this folder. Okay, see, the name of this folder has been changed. In the same way you can change the name of any file. Here is file. Let us see how to change. Again right click on it, click on rename and make it capital, theme question. Enter. Now how we can search for any files or folder that we have saved in our computer? For that, click on start button. Here we have option to search for programs and files or folders. So I'll search for the folder which I have created just now, Anjum 1. See, the result has come. Okay, now we will learn how to restore the deleted file or folder. For that we need to go to recycle bin. Click on that. So many files are here, but we need that file that we have deleted just now. The file name was computer. Okay, see, it has come. Click on that, right click, and here we have option to restore, and this file will be restored to the same place where it was stored. Click on that, restore. See, the file has been moved from here. Now you can check under library, documents, Anjum. This file has come here. Okay, so that's all for today. Hope you all have learned how to create and save a file or folder, how to delete and restore, how to rename a file or folder, and how to search for any file or folder. So practice this at your home. Thank you.